Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be finishing up the second half on fun and easy way to teach the 10 Commandments. Just a reminder guys, if you have not watched part 1, I will link that in the description below, and please do consider subscribing. Okay, so starting where we left off, I'm sketching out the number 5, and inside the 5 I'm going to be drawing 2 parent characters because the 5th commandment is honor your father and mother. Okay, so next I'm coloring in the 5. I'm leaving the characters blank so that I can color them in later. So the picture for the 6th commandment is going to be pretty basic, and I'm just sketching out a 6, and inside the 6 I'm going to be drawing a bomb that is also in the shape of a 6. And because bombs kill people, that is why I am drawing a bomb. So guys, just a reminder, I did get the ideas for these flashcards from Living Waters. I will link the video that we got these references from in the description box below if you want to check them out. Okay, so like the sixth commandment, the seventh commandment is also going to be pretty basic. I am just drawing a broken heart, and inside the broken heart is the shape of a number 7, and that is supposed to remind us not to commit adultery, because adultery usually ends in a broken heart. Okay, so for the 8th commandment, it does get a little bit more complicated, and this one I am drawing a little person with the mask in the shape of an 8, and the mask is supposed to be like a burglar mask, and that's supposed to remind us not to steal. And you can of course draw this in any way that you will find will help you remember what the 8th commandment is, but this is how I drew it. Alright, so this next one is going to be kind of silly. For the 9th commandment, I'm going to draw the number 9 lying in bed. It doesn't really make much sense, but to help us remember not to lie, the 9 is going to be lying in bed. Alright, so this last one is actually kind of my favorite. At least it was the one that I found most fun to draw. And this is the 10th commandment, which is do not covet. And for the 10th commandment, I'm going to be drawing a little person that is in the shape of a 1, looking in at a diamond ring that's in the shape of a 0, and together they make up the number 10. And definitely my favorite part was drawing the diamond. I don't know why, I just really like to draw shiny things. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!